Here's a quick guide on how to upload HD videos on Facebook. Open the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android. Tap the menu button, then open Settings and Privacy and select Settings. We'll adjust a few options to make sure Facebook uploads your videos in high quality. Scroll down and tap Media. Under Video Quality, make sure it's not set to Data Saver. Switch it to Optimized so Facebook allows higher resolution uploads. Then open Autoplay and set it to On Mobile Data and Wi-Fi, or On Wi-Fi Only. This helps Facebook process videos at better quality. Next, open your device's Settings app. Go to Camera, then tap on Record Video. Make sure your recording quality isn't set to something low like 720p. Choose a higher resolution such as 1080p or 4K at 30 frames per second. This ensures the video you upload to Facebook is already high quality. And that's it. Now your videos will upload to Facebook in crisp, clear HD.